Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Saiasmi Gupta and I'm 11 years old. I am the co-founder of tennisforthekids.com and today I just reached to 301 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for subscribing me, supporting me and liking my videos. I really appreciate you subscribing to my videos and liking them. I will definitely be uploading videos, but actually I've been not uploading videos because our tests are going to start from 30th, but still I will try my best to upload as many videos as I can. And thank you guys so much for subscribing me, liking my videos, and writing those so beautiful comments. Those really keep me encouraged. I would also like to thank all of above, Jayan Tharana and Mandy OP for subscribing me in the last 3 days so that I reach to 300 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. I'll be uploading videos shortly. Stay tuned and stay healthy. Thank you guys and bye.